Let's start today's video with this Russian Mount Pound running over TM-62 anti-tank mines on a road. There's something went wrong at the Department for Combating the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Apparently, Russians were so optimistic that they drove straight through the minefield. Russian intelligence released what they say is detention footage that prevented a Ukrainian terrorist attack in the Moscow region. Russia claims that the terrorists' equipment had passed via Estonia. Here Ukrainian defenders from the Special Operations Forces destroyed a Russian recon group. Video of a Ukrainian air-burst artillery strike, presumably by a PGM, on a Russian Pantsir-S howitzer. An entrenched Russian BMP-3 IFV was destroyed by accurate shot from a Ukrainian T-64 BM-2 Bulat MBT of the 4th Tank Brigade. The sky over the Vinnytsia region is under the protection of Ukrainian aviation. It was this fighter that eliminated 2 drones over the area.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.